On the 7th of June, 2020, His Eminence gave a word of prophecy concerning the disputes, which would escalate into international disputes, between the fishing industries, in France, Spain, and Britain. The following are the words he said.
The Lord kept on showing me the waters, I was seeing waters. And so I didn't know until the Lord began to improve the vision and I was able to see. I was seeing waters for about 2 weeks, and then I was asking the Lord to say, those waters, what does it mean? And the Lord told me to say, those are the waters, the water boundaries of Spain, France, and the UK. Spain, France, and the UK. But we need to pray because there's a dispute between the industries that belong to these different countries that deal in fish industry, a dispute that could lead to an international disputes between Spain, France, and the UK. So we should pray for peace, because it's like I'm hearing the other one saying, you are doing these activities not on your waters but in our waters, or something like that. It's like there are some waters that belong to others and some waters that belong to others. That's what is happening, and as small as it looks, it might spark an international dispute, which is not right, isn't it? So we are going to need to pray concerning that dispute.
French fishing vessels, and those of other EU nations, would be reckless to stray into British waters illegally after the end of the year. With the UK having a responsibility to police its waters after December 31st, a fishing boss has said. Barry Dees, CEO of the National Federation of Fishermen's Organisations, NFFO, also voiced confidence that there would be no capitulation on the issue of fishing rights, irrespective of the claims of EU chief negotiator Michel Barnier this week. Mr. Dees said in a recent interview, at one level it is necessary for the UK to make plain that access to fish in UK waters after the end of the transition will not be automatic and that the UK authority will have a responsibility to police its waters. EU fishermen have criticised the UK government for their use of the Royal Navy to protect British waters, with one French fishing chief even claiming it would mean that we are negotiating things that relate to war. But many UK MPs have seen the move as necessary after the bloc's fishermen claimed they would retaliate to any UK measures that blocked their access to British fishing grounds. French fishing chief Dimitri Rogoff said his fleets would start by blocking the English Channel if they were denied access to UK waters after December 31st. Mr. Rogoff said, "If we are deprived of our fishing grounds, we will not watch the British supply the French market. There will therefore be blockages to ferries, since this mainly happens by ferries. And on that, we are quite clear and determined.